Hi friends, this is Jyotsna from konlines.com. In this session, I would like to discuss about the topic error stack DTP. See here, error stack DTP, and I had completed the data modeling, and now I'll go to the data loading, that is part B. Let me go caps. Part B. Data loading or data acquisition or data extraction. Step 1 is create the info package. Why we are creating the info package is to load the data from the source system to the PSA. See here, observe this, you will get a nice idea. See here, this is my source system, that is flat file source system. Info package is used to load the data from source system to the PSA, persistent staging area, and the raw data will be collected in the, it is like a temporary storage unit. The raw data will be collected in this, and from I had loaded till the PSA, means let me first load till PSA, select logon, give the credentials, continue. Now go to my data source, or else you can go with RSA one also, that is initial screen, that is data warehousing workbench modeling. This is my data source. Select modeling under the data sources, select the application component. See, actually I had created my application component as AC underscore EDS, but here it is appearing as ZAC underscore EDS. Why? The reason is it is customer generated, means user has created, we has created, so SAP given the name as Y or Z. Even we can give the customer value as Y and Z. Okay, Y or Z. We can use both. Now select the data source DS underscore EDS, context menu, create info package. Now give the info package description, info pack for error DTP. Now select the data source, this is my source system, PC underscore George, save. Continue with this. Now this is the selection screen. If I want the particular records to be displayed, then I'll use this. This is my extraction. Whatever the data I'm giving in the data source, that will be here. Just check this. Adapter load text type file from local workstation file. Header rows to be ignored is 1. Data separator with separated with separator CSV, data separator, comma. Processing. See here, observe this PSA and then into the data target. This is serial one. Once the PSA is filled, means request by request, then it will be updated into the data target. First it will load the PSA and after that the data target. PSA and data target in parallel. The data load will be sent to both parallelly from PSA and the data target. Only PSA means only for PSA. Data target means only for data targets. This is update mode, is full update. Whatever the data we are sending from the source system to the data target, the whole data will be sent for each and every request. Okay, now let me go to the schedule tab. Schedule data load. Start data load immediately means right now, start in later means in background. It will be periodical. Start data load immediately. Select start schedule. Let me check even my error is there or not. Data was requested. Select. In this here we won't get any error. Just we will see the records. That particular record is there or not. That's it. Here, see here in the picture, you will get the idea. Now we will load the up to PSA. It is loaded. It will be loaded now, and from PSA or data source to the data target or info provider, we will load through DTP, that is data transfer process, through standard DTP. DTP is used to load the data from the data source or PSA to the info provider, that is info queue. Now I want to show one thing is that, let me check where is my DTP. Right. I want to show the error DTP. Wait a second. After this, see here. Till now it's completed. See here till PSA. No errors will be there. See here. No error handling for Infopackage in case of invalid records also. Okay. Now I am going to do to this step DTP. Okay. Now first let me check the PSA. See here PSA. Select PSA maintenance. Select, this is my for each data package 1, number of records are 15. See here with status, all records means erroneous record, changed records and without error records. This is erroneous records means with error records, changed records. Okay, let me go with the all records. Continue. Observe this, my February date is there, but it's in PSA stage, it won't capture any errors. So let me go with the DTP. This is the file, observe this. Now go back. Now select my info provider. Expand your info area, IA underscore EDS. Expand the info cube. Now you will find the DTP folder. Select the DTP folder, context menu, create DTP. Now here followed by, see here, create DTP, data transfer process. This is my data source slash PC underscore George. This is my source system, followed by my data target, that is cube. Target of DTP, that is info cube, SIC underscore EDS. Observe this. Source of DTP, data source DS underscore EDS, and this is my source system. Select continue. Now I can find 3 tabs. Extraction, this is full update. Select full update. I said you full update means it will load the complete data from source system to the data target or up to PSLL, whatever it may be, means till data target it will load. If I am selecting deltas means it is like difference of the previous request, means if I am loading the data for my first request I am loading the data from C1 to C15, and next transaction data I am adding the record C16, C17, C18. Now the difference will be updated to the data target. while using the delta. In full, it will load the complete. Select update tab. Select valid, update valid records, no reporting, request read. Here no update, it is deactivated, means irrespective of that, nothing will be there, no updates will be there. See, no update, no reporting means for if I am getting one error, till that request record is updated, it won't allow for reporting, it won't proceed. This is update valid records, no reporting. Request read means it will update the correct records. Even in this case, even if the next record, my first record is correct, it will update it. And if my second record is not correct, even if my third, fourth, fifth records are correct, even it won't update till the second record is correct. So in case of update valid records, means correct records will be updated, but it will show the error record. Request is red, means it show the error. This is irrespective of everything, it will show the green color, means successful. The for the cube, data target info cube, SIC underscore EDs, yes. Now select execute, push execute tab, select activate the DTP. It's processing. Processing mode is parallel processing, extraction and processing. Now see here, execute, select execute push button. Request status, the request generated by the DTP will now be processed. Do you want to display the request monitor? Yes. See here, request is error, red color. Okay, why? Let me, data package 1 error in processing, extraction data source 15 records. See here 15, updating to info cube. How many records? See here, data message 1 data record saved. Request is red. Now let me do this. Check the message. See here, value 2015-02-31 of characteristic 0 date is not possible. Why? Because it's showing the error. It is February month, so it's showing the error. It's not possible. It's error in the date format. So it's showing like this. Okay. Observe once again. Value 201502 31st February 2005 of characteristic date is not possible. So error is occurred. So go to error handling, right? So go to select the error stack. One second. Observe this. I am selecting error stack DTP here. It's processing. Observe this. Error stack selected error stack will get the data package. Number of record is one record is not there, means one record error. So select continue. See here status error. This is my error, and now let me display this error. See here 2015-02-31, that is February date. 31st is not there, so let me edit with error stack. I had shown that in DFT that will invalid record can be corrected in the error stack and updated into data targets. So now I am editing the invalid record, that is 31/2/2015, but this date is not available. Why? Because in February month we don't get 31st. So let me edit this. Let me write here 0 or else 1/2/2015. Now continue this valid value, continue. Now see here, it's updated. See here. Now save and go back. Now let me go to my InfoQ. First select manage. See here, till now my requests are not there, even it is not available for reporting. Now see here, this is not there, this request is not there. Let me delete this. In my previous request, whatever where I get the error, transfer records are 15, added is 14, means one record is error. So this is my request. Okay, so now I had completed this. Now double click on DTP. I had rectified the error on the error stack. Go to update. Now see here, presently I am having only DTP in under my DTP, only this one DTP ds underscore eds underscore pc ds underscore eds slash pc underscore jsh followed by sic underscore eds. Now let me create the error DTP. Create error DTP. Now you will observe one change. You will get error DTP under your DTP. Okay, let me refresh this. It's take time for processing. Now observe this. You get this also error DTP under your DTP. See here error DTP ds underscore eds slash pc underscore Josh followed by SIC underscore EDS. Error DTP has observed. Okay. Now let me execute this. Select execute tab. Select execute. Push button. Yes. The request generated by the DTP. See here. Observe this. Only one data record is updated here. See here. One data record is updated. Okay. Now go to before that. Okay, let me check the data targets. Let administrative data target. See here in my cube. See here. This is request is green. Means error DTP. See here error DTP is green. Transferred is 1, added is 1. Oh, why? Because I had changed only one value. That is, I had changed the date of 31st 2nd 2015 to 1 2nd 2015. 1st 2nd 2015. So this is request is red. Request is red. So I'll change this. Actually, I got the error DTP. So let me change this also into green. Why? Because this depends on this only. So request is red. Now see here, request is available for reporting. We got this. Request is available for reporting. Now first let me check this. What I got, one record, display contents into the cube. Select the cube, select the request ID. Displaying the contents. Select a field selection for output. Now I got customer ID, product ID, calendar day, and I will check the request ID too, currency, units of measures, and key figure values. Select continue. Select continue, execute. Now see here, observe the changes. See here, C1, P1, 1 to 2015 INR kg. Okay, I changed this record only 31st to 1st. And let me check the previous record also, even that will be updated. Why? Because error, with the help of error DTP. So I can resolve the error in the error DTP only with the help of error DTP, and I can manage the errors, and I'll make changes on the error stack DTP, and I'll update to the info provider or data target. Select the required fields, select execute. Here also same will come. Why? Because with the help of error DTP we had updated into the info provider. We'll get the changes from 31st 1 2015 to 1 2nd 2015 for C1. Execute. See here, changes are done. This is about the error stack DTP. Even we can go with the SQL and query execution plan also. This is the fields, and we'll select the display SQL execution plan, execute. Now we will get the native SQL, open SQL and the result. Observe this. We got the query execution plan, native SQL and open SQL and the query result. This is the result. So, result is displayed. Okay. This is about the error stack DTP. Thanks for watching this video. Actually, we will do reporting also. We will discuss it in the next session. Data loading was completed. Thanks for watching this video.